Day 52 of my weight loss journey. It's a great week and I've done walking every night, 2 kilometers a night. Hopefully on the next week we can still walk at night. So walking at night at 2 km was a good warm up before I do my real workout. Hopefully we can do that. And then hopefully we can also have more kilometers on walking, maybe 4 km of walk. Maybe on the weekends we can try that. Yeah, for the day, I just did my 5 minutes of shadow boxing. And then the other one was, I don't know what it's called, but it's like I'm holding my kettlebell on my hand, and then I just put it, and then just slowly putting it down on my side. So yeah, it was good. It gave me some sweat, and yeah, that's day 52. See you on day 53.